Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your WeChat account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap and open WeChat application, then get logged in by providing your account credential, that is your login ID and password. Tap in WeChat application. As I have already get logged in, here you tap in me icon on bottom of right corner. Tap in settings. Under settings, you can see option of account security. Tap on it. Tap in password. To change your password, first of all you need to provide your current password. So go for it. Now go in for providing a new password for your account. Retype your password for the confirmation. Tap in Done. Your WeChat password has been successfully changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your WeChat account password. Thank you.